Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts from Mailchimp, whether you're backing up your subscriber list, migrating to another platform, or simply need your contact data for analysis. This straightforward process will help you download all your contacts quickly and efficiently. Let's dive in and get those contacts exported. First, open a web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. This will take you to the Mailchimp homepage where you can access your account. Once you're there, look for the sign in button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your account credentials. Make sure you're using the correct email and password associated with your Mailchimp account to gain access to your dashboard. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your Mailchimp dashboard. From here, focus on the left sidebar where you'll find various navigation options. Locate and click on the Audience tab. This section is where all your subscriber information lives, and it's the central hub for managing your contacts, lists, and audience data. Once you're in the Audience section, you'll see all your contacts and subscribers listed on the page. This comprehensive view displays everyone who's part of your mailing lists, making it easy to see exactly who you'll be exporting. Take a moment to review this list to ensure you're working with the correct audience. Now comes the selection process. You'll notice a checkbox on the left side of each contact entry. If you want to export specific contacts, simply click the checkbox next to each one you wish to include in your export. However, if you want to export every single contact and audience member, there's a quicker way. Click the checkbox on the header row at the top of the list. This action will automatically select all contacts in one go, saving you time and effort. Once you've made your selections, look towards the right part of your screen where you'll find the Export Audience button. Click on this button to initiate the export process. This is where Mailchimp prepares your contact data for download. A prompt will appear showing you the contact count you'll be exporting. This confirmation step ensures you're aware of exactly how many contacts are being included in your export file. Review this number to make sure it matches your expectations. When you're ready to proceed, click on Export CSV. This will generate a CSV file containing all your selected contact information, which you can then open in spreadsheet programs or import into other platforms. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your contacts from Mailchimp, giving you full access to your subscriber data outside the platform. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.